Hello! Welcome to my kitchen.
Today I want to show you a very simple but incredibly delicious recipe.
you.